guys, welcome to my studio. My name is Ashley. I'm giving you some ideas of what you can do with stained glass jewelry. I will link a full tutorial for stained glass jewelry making and a how to cut glass video along with a list of all items used below. I love using dichroic glass, so I decided to use these pre-cut pieces. Using my inland grinder, I ensure the sponge stays wet and I glide the glass back and forth for a smooth finish on all sides of the glass. After grinding, I always clean the glass with the glass cleaner to ensure the copper foil sticks to the glass. Next step, we wrap the glass with copper foil, and I always use a burnishing tool to burnish the foil onto the glass. Again, I will list all items used in the description box below, and by purchasing through the link provided, you will help this channel with the modest commission. I add a jump ring to both of the butterfly dangles. Now, the soldering process. I brush glass flux onto the foil and I gradually add lead-free solder to the edges. Using quick strokes with a soldering iron, I smooth out the sides and ensure all the foil is soldered. Using a third hand, I place the open end of the jump ring flush to the exact center area on the glass of the desired design outcome. Applying flux and then a dash of solder to the joint area, I solder the two pieces into one, while gradually adding more solder as needed, striving to have a smooth surface and secure to withstand daily use if wanted. Finally, I add a jump ring to the desired earring clasp. By using the third hand again, I place the open end of the jump ring to the exact spot of the glass and ensure the final result will be as accurate as possible. We do the same steps as we did before, flux and solder as needed on all sides. Until next time, stay blissful.